Hello viewers, I'm Sajidz and here you guys watching Sajidz Tech, and here in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can change the desktop font styles there and to make your computer more awesome and watchable there. So here they have a default font style in your every computer that Arial is there, and here how you can make this change there in this font styles. So in this video guys I'm going to talking with about that. Before just starting with this video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notifications here, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my this video with you. So first of all, here you need to go to in this PC, and from here just go to the local drive where you just install your Windows. And here in my case I just install my Windows in my this local disk D. So here it is. From here I need to go to in the Windows from here, and then from here go to the fonts, and here you will get a lot of fonts, and these fonts are installed in your computer there, and from here you can use that font from here. So from here I'll just start my this here to proceed there. So first of all, here you need to take a text editor there, so just re-click here and now go to the new from here, and from here just go to the text document from here, and here you need to take open up there, and here you need to take a code here, and I'll give you the code in the description, so you can collect that code from there. Now go to there, and from here there is the code, and from here suppose that I want to take this from here, so here the code name is there, and from here the font name is there, and I will take the font name is there as it is. And here it is guys, I just pick up the font name here, and here I need to rename this file name is there, so from here I just rename this as I wish. So here I just take it the sajidz font and then give an extension called .rez, and here it is, this is the important .rez, and here I just make it okay, and here it is, it's okay. Now here you need to double click it to open up that, and here it is. Now click on the yes, and now click on the yes again, and now click on the OK, and here it is guys, your font will be working here, but here you need to reboot your computer there. So to do this you need to restart your computer, and here it is guys, you can see that here this fonts has changed there, and everywhere wherever you want these fonts are changed there, and wherever you want you can see that the changed fonts are there, and this is the awesome thing is there. But what if you want to change this font in your default font there, then the problem will be created. So here it is guys, to do there you need to again take a code is there, so again open up there in the new and go to the text document is there, and from here you need to open up this text document, and here you need to give another code, and here this code also I'll give you in the description below. And from here guys I will give this rename the file is there, and suppose that here the file name will be default font dot, again give the extension called reg, and here it is guys, give the yes, and now effecting is, now you need to double click on it, and now click on the yes, now click on the yes, now click on the OK, and here after just making those things, after just refreshing it, you can see that all of the font style will be turned into their default there. So here it is guys, what's about that? Do you like this operation there guys? This trick is awesome, and by that things you can change up your desktop font style there, and you make it more awesome. We are in the very ending of this video. What's about this video guys? Do you like this video? If it's so, then I request you please give a like this video, comment below on this video, share this video with your friends. So thanks a lot, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day.